Hi friends, welcome back. You are watching Bhagat Food Tech Stars Food Tech Quiz Episode 3. Useful for all food tech competitive exams. Let's start. Watch full video for good results. 30 solved questions. Question number 1. Blast freezing is preferred to slow freezing because A. Large ice cream crystals are formed in food. B. Very small crystals are formed. C. Food freezes gradually in a blast of cold air. D. Food can be stored indefinitely in the refrigerator. And the correct answer is B. Very small crystals are formed. Question number 2. What is the strength of the Brin solution for the canning of vegetables? A. 2%, B. 8%, C. 15%, D. 67%. And the correct answer is A. 2%. Question number 3. Strength of Brin solution is being measured by A. Salometer, B. Salinometer, C. Bowman's hydrometer, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 4. Which of the following is are the class 1 preservative? A. Sugar, B. Sorbic acid, C. Calcium propionates, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is A. Sugar. Question number 5. Monosodium glutamate is used as A. Artificial sweetener, B. Anti-caking agent, C. Flavor enhancer, D. Cleaning agent. And the correct answer is C. Flavor enhancer. Question number 6. Which protein fraction constitutes gluten? A. Prolamine and protease, B. Gliadin and gen, C. Gliadin and glutenin, D. Prolamine and gliadin. And the correct answer is C. Gliadin and glutenin. Question number 7. The protein complex formed during dough formation of hard wheat, which is responsible for the bread making characteristics of the dough, is A. Gin, B. Gluten, C. Glutenin, D. Prolamine. And the correct answer is B. Gluten. Question number 8. TSS of fruit squash is A. 12%, B. 24%, C. 30%, D. 40%. And the correct answer is D. 40%. Question number 9. Fruit drinks have TSS of A. 5%, B. 10%, C. 15%, D. 20%. And the correct answer is B. 10%. Question number 10. For the canning of vegetables, the Brin solution is dash strength. A. 2 to 3%, B. 5 to 8%, C. 10 to 14%, D. 15 to 17%. And the correct answer is A. 2 to 3%. Question number 11. Papain is obtained from A. Papaya, B. Pineapple, C. Pomegranate, D. Pear. And the correct answer is A. Papaya. Question number 12. Primary aim of blanching of fruit is A. To destroy surface microorganisms, B. To increase softness of the fruit, C. To destroy the enzyme, D. To increase the palatability of the fruit. And the correct answer is C. To destroy the enzyme. Question number 13. Which of the following chemicals would you prefer for retaining the green color of the vegetables during blanching? A. Sodium chloride, B. Sodium bicarbonate, C. Ammonium citrate, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is B. Sodium bicarbonate. Question number 14. Guava is rich in A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin K, D. Vitamin B complex. And the correct answer is B. Vitamin C. Question number 15. Process of building up in a controlled manner a sugar or chocolate coating on confectionery centers is A. Enrobing, B. Panning, C. Coating, D. Silver coating. And the correct answer is B. Panning. Question number 16. Which of the following has highest sweetness? A. Sucrose, B. Glucose, C. Lactose, D. All are same in terms of sweetness. And the correct answer is A. Sucrose. Question number 17. pH of fresh and normal buffalo milk is A. 3.8, B. 4.5, C. 5.9, D. 6.7. And the correct answer is D. 6.7. Question number 18. As per the PFA rule, minimum amount of fat in the whole dried milk powder is A. 17%, B. 23%, C. 26%, D. 30%. And the correct answer is B. 23%. Question number 19. The only carbohydrate present in the milk is A. Maltose, B. Sucrose, C. Glucose, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is D. None of the above. Question number 20. The natural antioxidant present in butterfat is A. NDGA, B. Lecithin, C. Ascorbic acid, D. Ethyl gallate. And the correct answer is B. Lecithin. Question number 21. Nitrate and nitrite is helpful in meat processing as it A. Increases tenderness, B. Increases juiciness, C. Improves color, D. Prevent from microbial deterioration. And the correct answer is C. Improves color. Question number 22. Which protein is present in meat? A. Myoglobin, B. Gluten, C. Gene, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Myoglobin. Question number 23. Collagen on heating in presence of moisture dissolves and yields A. Alginate, B. Gelatin, C. Pectin, D. Casein. And the correct answer is B. Gelatin. Question number 24. Smoking is used for the preservation of A. Cereals, B. Meat, C. Egg, D. Fruit. And the correct answer is B. Meat. Question number 25. The shrinkage of meat is greater at pH A. 4.0, B. 5.8, C. 7.0, D. 3.6. And the correct answer is B. 5.8. Question number 26. The protein of egg white known for its antibiotic activity is A. Cobalamin, B. Lysozyme, C. Ovalbumin, D. Avoidin. And the correct answer is B. Lysozyme. Question number 27. Which of the following is the essential fatty acid? A. Stearic acid, B. Linolenic acid, C. Lauric acid, D. Palmitic acid. And the correct answer is B. Linolenic acid. Question number 28. Which of the following compounds do you expect at the end of Strecker degradation? A. Acid, B. Ester, C. Aldehyde, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is C. Aldehyde. Question number 29. Ovomucoid is found to be A. Antibiotic in nature, B. Trypsin inhibitor, C. Hemagglutination inhibitor, D. Iron binder. And the correct answer is B. Trypsin inhibitor. Question number 30. Barfoed's test is for A. Detecting the presence of triglycerides in the sample, B. Detecting the presence of monosaccharides in the sample, C. Detecting the presence of dipeptide in the sample, D. Detecting the presence of vitamin K in the sample. And the correct answer is B. Detecting the presence of monosaccharides in the sample. If you find it useful, please like, comment and share. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Check out link in bio and follow us. This is Bhagat signing off. Bye bye now.